I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew.
And we are the Crafty Lumberjacks. Welcome back to HGTV Handmade. If you know us, you know we love a good upcycled project.
That's right, we were just going through our cupboards in our kitchen and we found so many Tupperware, tins, cookie tins. Today we're gonna upcycle some cookie tins into some planters.
Let's get started. So basically what we're gonna do here is create a pocket inside our tin using a piece of balsa wood for our plants to fit right in there.
And the first thing you're gonna wanna do is measure out the inner ring on the lid of your tin to a piece of balsa wood. We chose balsa wood because it's easy to cut, but any wood would really work for this.
And you can also pick this up at the craft store so you don't have to make 2 stops for this project. The greatest thing about the balsa wood too is that it's really easy to work with and super simple to cut out, and we're gonna be using a craft knife for that. All right, we have our piece cut out. Andrew did a great job, so proud of you. You wanna make sure it fits into your tin there. We're gonna glue it to the lid. If it doesn't fit right in, you can sand it or cut a new piece. Balsa wood is really inexpensive. And now we're just gonna use a bit of super glue to glue it right into the tin there. We're gonna do it directly on the piece.
All tins have a little crease here. We're gonna keep this crease right at the bottom.
And we were lucky enough to find these tins that were all the same color. If you don't have tins that are matching, you can spray paint them.
You know, you could also use like contact paper on the outside if you didn't want to spray paint.
And that's pretty much it. Really, it looks super modern, super fresh, giving me cruise ship realness vibes. But now you're probably wondering how you're gonna hang it.
Yes, we have a hack from our friend Jenny. It's super simple. All you need for this is felt and twine and a hot glue gun.
Jinx.
Double jinx. I win.
We're gonna cut a little piece of twine and cut 2 equal pieces of felt here. We're gonna glue our twine to the top of the tin.
I'll hold it down. And you're gonna need a high temp glue gun for this.
And use a lot of glue there just to make sure it stays down. Ooh. And then you're gonna use your felt squares here to press down and hold the twine in place. All ashore that's going ashore.
Here he goes.
Now it just needs a plant.
So you can use real plants or you can use faux plants. For real plants, you have to find a pot that is about the same size that can fit in. We found out that using a plastic pot that you could kind of squish in helps.
Yeah, and you're not gonna wanna water these inside the tin. You're gonna wanna take it out, water it, and then put it back. But if you're looking for an easier way,
use faux plants. So for faux plants, we just took a little bit of floral foam. We're gonna slide it right in. We cut it down a little bit on the bottom just so it fit a little better. And then you can start adding your faux plants. Now this is a much easier way to
yes, much easier for us, because any plant we bring into our apartment,
we kill. It's
a slow, painful death for these poor plants. Unless we give them to our super, and then she takes care of them, but she gets mad at us for that.
Wow, they look great.
They look super great. It's a blank canvas. Take these and make them your own. The cat loves them too.
I can't believe it. Let us know if you kill your plants as much as we do. We'd love to feel better about ourselves.
Yes, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.